Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can draw by hand or manually in your document on Microsoft Word really quickly. So if you're curious and would like to learn more, make sure you drop a like. And now let us get started. So access to document here on Microsoft Word, you would like to draw. And basically what you want to do, guys, is switch from the Home tab in the top left to the Draw tab here and select your preferred drawing tool like a pencil, a pen, or a marker, eraser, and so on and so forth. So let me go with a highlighter, a marker like that one here. Click on it. After that, you may also click on that arrow down icon here to select a custom color, like for example, or a thickness in this case here. Let me go with that setup here and a green marker. And after that, simply start drawing. Like for example, you may underline or highlight text like that manually, or draw a smiley just like that, and so on and so forth. And that's basically it. That's how it works, guys. As you can see, super simple. I hope you enjoyed this video, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.